In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum using your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my Trust Wallet. Now from here, make sure to log in. And then from here, we want to purchase Ethereum. So once we log in, we're brought to the home section. If we scroll down a tad, you'll see ETH at the bottom, Ethereum. If you don't see it, you can do a search for Ethereum. So if I type in ETH, there it is there. So go ahead and click on Ethereum. And now from here, you want to click on to buy under where it says ETH. And then you can choose what currency you want to purchase Ethereum in. So if I want to change it to Australian dollar, I'm going to click on Australian dollar or euro, etc. So I'm going to change it to Australian dollar because I'm in Australia. So for example, I want to purchase $50 worth of Ethereum. I've got a few options. So I can buy with Google Play, or if I want to swap it, I'll just click onto that and then pay with. So we've got Google Pay, we've got digital wallet, credit card, bank transfer. So if I want to do a credit card, I'll click credit card. Then you got to choose your provider, and then it'll show you how much Ethereum you'll purchase with $50. So some providers are going to give you more bang for your buck, and others might have a bit more fees. So if I want to pay a credit card, I'm going to choose via Alchemy Pay if I want it, or Mercurio, Bank XA, and then just go ahead like that. And then it'll say buy with credit card because I've chosen credit card. Now it's going to connect me safely to Bank XA to continue with my purchase. I'm not going to go through this because this should be in another video.